let's take a look at this other component. That's their motherboard.
My mother?
No, mine. So it's P6T Deluxe V2. It should help us to overclock the processor. It also has the maximum of 24 gigs of RAM. And it was pretty expensive, but I hope it was worth it. I read the forum and they never lie there. Okay, so let's take it down and open it. There are lots of things written in here that I don't really understand. Maybe there is something about cooling. You can Google this up. So probably this is not that interesting. It comes with Express Gate. That's standard for ASUS notebooks and motherboards, but I'm not going to use this feature. Okay, so this is the board. And let's see what else is in the box first. Okay, so there's the user guide with a CD. There is the cover for the back side, and it's covered with something soft. I don't know if I'm going to use this. And there is also this quick start guide that I hope will help us out, because we are not absolutely sure what are we doing here. Okay, so the quick start guide. Let's put it back. We want to maintain some order. The second compartment of the box, there are some. I think it helps to mount a little fan on something. I don't know. I'm not sure what this is, but I know what are those, and those are cables for hard drives, I think.
He is absolutely sure.
Yeah, I'm totally sure. There are 3 of them. There's this one little fan. I'm not sure what this is about. I'm not sure where to put this fan. Is it even fan? Yeah, it is. But it looks nice. Okay. What else? This yellow thing. I hope, I don't know, I think it will just come to us, you know, like holes that look like they should be plugged with these kind of things. Oh. There's this cable, I think those are for hard drives as well. And then this looks like a USB extender. Yeah, and it is going to come here like this. There are already, I think, 8 USB ports directly on the board, and there are 2 more here, and I'm not sure what is this little one about. We'll see. Okay, so much for the board. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Páčka, ktorú odkloníš a to na go otvorí a to vyklopíš a...
Čiže toto tu nejak pridrží vlastne procesor?
Neviem.
Toto železné?
Asi, ale nechápem, to na toto žlté sa mastí tá pasta.
Môže to asi pôjde preč.
Taký radiátor neviem ani vidieť. Tu asi prídu rámky. Grafiky, na ktoré zhnutí.
Tunek?
No, na ktoré.
No tak, na všetky. A prečo sú tu len 3? Čo keď tam 4 grafiky?
Tak počkaj, že k tomu napísané, neviem čo nie.
Nehádzať do koša? Prečo by som to hodil do koša, keď ma to stálo posratých 7 000?
Sem jedu šroby? Prečo sú tam také konektory našli? Či to je ložisko?
Áno, to celé otáča vnútri v tej nechutnej veľkej kasni.
Však aby si to mohol dobre zatiahnuť, však to je jak nábitý.
Sem asi príde chladič.
Si istý?
Neviem.
A tak nebude vadiť toto? No, tieto.
Ne, však to je asi na takých nožičkách. Neviem.
Tak ja
A
som
možno, a
neviem,
čo je
no.
toto?
To drží asi tú klietku, čo chytá ten procesor.
Aha. No dobre,
Asi.
to bude zaujímavé.